Techno Industrial Products offers AT W1, AT W4, and AT W7 straight-type pneumatic screwdrivers. These screwdrivers are operated by air pressure and provide high torque and low maintenance costs, which makes them excellent partners in day-to-day industry jobs, workshops, and other DIY activities. Torque obtained by AT W1 is from 5 Nm to 30 Nm. AT W4 is from 5 Nm to 60 Nm. And AT W7 is from 20 Nm to 180 Nm. Spares of these are also available for repair. These screwdrivers have reverse and forward mechanism, which is at bottom of the body. Just rotate the switch to forward or backward. To make it rotate, just push the lever as shown in video. Now we are seeing working of these screwdrivers. Just attach compressed air to them, and they are happy to serve you. Robust design and unmatchable quality to make your work easy. Thanks for watching.